My name is Pat Astbury and I used to be a teacher in England. I'd like to say how much I support the work being done by the doctors in the Chechen Republic in their fight against COVID-19, the coronavirus. I think they're doing a wonderful job. And it's really important to listen to what they say and the message that they're trying to put across, because this is for your benefit and will keep you safe. I have many Chechen friends and I'm very interested in Chechnya, and at this time they're very much in my thoughts. We pray that soon this crisis will end and life will go back to normal, but until then, please stay safe, stay at home and keep safe. Thank you.